there. Patrick, Reclaim's co-founder, and I am here to give you a rapid fire demonstration of the newest and coolest feature for Reclaim scheduling links. It is a small but mighty improvement that will help you get a ton more value out of the product, whether you're on a free plan or one of our paid customers. Okay, let's get started. So, first thing for you to know is that this account that we're looking at is a demo account. It's someone named Hal. And it does not have any other team members. It's a paid plan. We can see here, paid for one seat, no other members on the team. And as a result, historically, you would probably think that you couldn't use the team links functionality because the way Reclaim's team links worked is that while you could create a link that had other people that participated in joint availability or even round robin, it would only work if they were in your team and you were paying for one of their seats. Now, we've heard from people that they would love to be able to share links that included people that weren't in their team because perhaps they couldn't get the budget to pay for their seat, or that person did have a paid seat, but they're in a different account, different department. Maybe it's a contractor you work with, a consultant. There's all sorts of reasons for it. We've also heard from other people that they want to share links about that express availability, and that person might not even be a Reclaim user at all. I'm happy to say that now we can solve all of those problems. So let me give you some real life examples. So first one I'm going to show, and I'm going to do both these examples in using the share and personalize capability. It's one of my favorite features on scheduling links. If you're not familiar with it, you should definitely get used to it. It also works for our Google Workspace add-on, so you can actually activate this workflow I'm doing right from within Gmail and insert these workflows right into your emails. But what I want to do is give you one scenario where I have been asked to meet with a customer, and I say to myself, I really need Henry, my real life co-founder, to be on that meeting. Now you can see here in the share and personalized workflow, it shows me the availability. It lets me pick times that I might want to prefer. These are all free times that the link makes available. But one thing I know is Henry's not available at all next week. He's actually on vacation. True story. Well deserved. And so I'm going to come over here and personalize it. I'm going to go ahead and type in Henry at Reclaim.ai. Now, Henry is not in this Reclaim account. He is a Reclaim user, of course, but he's not in this Reclaim account. And what I can do now is I can go back to the select times, and I can see just by doing that, none of next week is possible because Henry's on vacation. And I can see other times and days that also are not available, and I can go ahead and pick them. And I know that these are all good times that Henry and I are both available. So even though Henry's not in my paid Reclaim account, I can still make a team link, whether it's a personalized individual one like this or a long-lasting link that I can create using the new link capability. So super cool. Will give you a lot more options around how you structure your teams. Also helps it make it easier if you want to have some users in your company on a free plan and other users on a paid plan. Lots of cool stuff opens up because of this. But the thing I'm really excited about is actually this next one, the ability to do team links and scheduling availability for people who aren't even Reclaim users. So let's dive into that one now. Okay, so let's imagine now, instead of me trying to meet with a customer and have Henry join the meeting, I now want to meet with, say, a school counselor. Let's say my hypothetical spouse, Mary, is someone that I want to make sure can meet with a school counselor tomorrow sometime. We have a question we want to work through with about one of my kids' classes. And so I'm looking at the scheduling link. I might send the school counselor some of this availability. And I'm like, I'm actually not sure. I'm not sure if Mary's actually free tomorrow morning. It might have to be something that we offer up in the afternoons. So let's go ahead and personalize this and get Mary involved. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in Mary's email address. Mary, my hypothetical spouse, has not ever joined Reclaim. You'll see that, however, it still worked. And I just want to highlight we will point out if an email address won't work. So for example, I just put in foo@example.com. That's a made up address and it says no calendar access. So what's going on? Why did the Mary one not say no calendar access? Well, let's flip over to that hypothetical Mary's calendar and let's look at the sharing and availability. And what Mary has done here is she's made her calendar available to the public just at free busy levels. She also could have shared it directly with me, In corporate environments, it's really common that calendars are open and at least free busy is available to all coworkers. And so what Reclaim's doing over here is it is automatically going through my calendar, Hal at Reclaim.ai, and requesting Mary's availability. So if we come back over here and look at times for tomorrow, we will see that the first earliest available time is 1 o'clock now, as opposed to, if you remember earlier, it was showing 9 o'clock. Reason for that is Mary is busy at 9 o'clock. Now let's just say that changes to 2 p.m. I can go ahead and refresh this. Let me personalize it again, and I'll go back to selecting times. And you'll see now 2 p.m. is available. So it's real-time availability of people who may or may not be a Reclaim user and may or may not be in your Reclaim team. We think this is an awesome new capability, and there's a lot of cool use cases for both professional and personal needs. So I hope you enjoy it. Please give us feedback. Let us know what else you'd like to see from our Scheduling Links product. Thanks so much. Take care.